That's all you need. Ceviche should be simple but effective, and it is. It's 4 things: cilantro, onions, good fish, lime, salt, maybe 5, and then you have a beautiful, light, refreshing snack. And you'll see it change. It'll go from raw to like this opaque, soft, beautiful fish, and it just smells like summer. You might be thinking right now, hey, are you gonna grill that fish? I'm not, but there is a grilled element. And you know me, I always got a little trick up my sleeve. This is great. All right, so that ceviche is as cold and fresh as sliding into an avalanche with your mouth open. I'm gonna spice things up, and this is the trick I have. Habanero, which translation means hot. It doesn't, but it is pretty spicy. So I'm gonna make a habanero and peach hot sauce with some grilled avocado. All of that with the ceviche, summer fun, and a bite of food. All right, char it up. So nice high heat for the habaneros. You just want to char the outside, kind of soften it up a little bit, give it a little extra flavor. And high heat for the avocado, and I keep the skin on it, just holds it together, makes it really easy to grill. And same for the peaches, just some nice char marks. We're gonna make the hot sauce, grilled avocado, perfect finish for the ceviche. So any good hot sauce for me is a balance of flavors. So you want it to be sweet, you want it to be tart, you want it to be salty, you want it to be spicy. Things that are hot are measured on something called the Scoville scale. So if you think of Tabasco, that's about 2,500 on the Scoville scale. And a habanero, that's about 350,000 Scoville units. So it's gonna be hot, so it needs to be balanced. A little bit of sweetness in the peaches, counteract that, a little apple cider vinegar. You could use whatever vinegar that you wanted, but you need a hot sauce with that little kiss of vinegar, and then a little more sweetness, just a touch of sugar. And to swim through all the sweetness and a little savory note, some fresh garlic, and then to highlight everything, a little pinch of salt. And that's pretty simple to make a kicked up hot sauce for ceviche, and let it rip. Keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on next. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on next. 350,000 on the Scoville scale. Yeah, that's pretty hot. It's gonna go pretty good with that cold ceviche. I think they're gonna love it.